Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name so you reach Apple ID controls. This puts subscription management in one place. Once there, tap Subscriptions to list active and expired services. You need to see which app or service is charging you. Make sure to note billing dates and trial periods for each entry, because canceling at the right time prevents unexpected charges, and knowing whether it's through Apple versus the app itself changes the steps you follow next. You now tap the specific subscription to open its details and understand what will happen when you cancel. Read the renewal date, price, and whether you're in a free trial so you know when access ends. This prevents accidental loss of desired content. If you see family sharing or an app-initiated billing note, make sure you're the payer. Otherwise, you may need the account holder to cancel. Once confirmed, you'll be ready to stop the service safely. You tap Cancel Subscription and follow the confirmation prompt. This stops automatic renewal, but you usually keep access until the paid period ends. Once done, verify by checking for an Apple confirmation email or a change in subscription status in settings so you're sure it was processed. If cancel isn't available or the subscription came from the app itself, contact the app developer or Apple support. As a tip, sign out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.